Where you from? You from here?
Yes.
Heck yeah, dude. I thought I seen you before. I didn't know. You just checking out the vets?
Yeah. This street and all the way down that way.
Heck yeah, dude.
There's a lot of them.
All right, man. We'll have a good time. You see the neck beard?
So we know John Boy always has a tendency to sneak in areas. Well, there's plenty of stuff here that says no parking, do not trespass, order for police, and of course, what do we have here? John Boy getting ready to drive in there. And here we are, of course, where we're not supposed to be.
Nice Corvette.
Thank you. Yeah, baby. Dude, Rob, you know where we're at, brother? They're having some kind of Corvette deal up here at Cape. There's supposed to be 1,000 Corvettes here, and there's people everywhere. So you know what me and Rob does? Gets in the bird turd, and we come to try to show out in front of the Corvette crowd. Heck yeah, baby. So we're here. We're getting ready to walk through there, but we're going to show you all a bunch of Corvettes, I guess. And I'm hoping they let us go right through there. But that dude ain't going to let you go through nowhere, is he? We tried to go right through where the vets are, but the dude would not let us. He's straight. We're going to go around the back now. I don't know what we're going to see back there. Oh! I don't know if we'll get around the back. Look at all this traffic, dude, trying to get down here.
Yep.
Hey, can we go that way? Probably ripped the bumper off again. Dude, there's Corvettes everywhere.
Right.
Hey, before we even got here, they was vets on the interstate. As soon as we got on the interstate, we go to down the road. The parking lot, the hotels are full of freaking vets. They're everywhere.
Right.
And down here, crazy full, baby. If you guys want to see some cool Corvettes, stay tuned. Look at show them some of these vets, Rob.
Heck yeah.
Unreal.
Just all down the street.
Dude, it goes all the way down there, then all the way
back
up
this
there.
way.
That church is full of it too.
Yeah,
Let's go show them some of these. Sounds sick.
Yeah.
It's quiet, but if it's louder.
Right.
Rob, let's find one of these that's got the keys in it.
Heck yeah.
Oh, that thing is awesome. That's a lot better than walking. Dude, I need one of them. You think it's got a weight limit?
It's all our turbocharging in there.
Yeah.
That's what I'm talking about. Hey, look at the tires on that. Dude, that's cool. That kit that's on it.
Mm-hmm. Yeah, looks good.
I say this in every video, but can't hide money. Need to get him to clean the bird turd for us. Dude, we need to find the other part of my glasses. That way I can super glue it together. It's driving me nuts.
And he's stuck to your face.
Richard. Yeah, boys. What I'm talking about. Dude, that thing sounds sick. I bet it runs good too, doesn't it? Hey, I got a real old truck with me right Dude, there's Corvettes everywhere. That's completely full. Look up there at the church parking lot, full of Corvettes. Dude, you could stay here for hours and not see all of them.
Right.
For real. Hey, before this thing closes, I'm gonna have you open the gate, run up and film it, and I'm gonna drive down the middle.
Oh gosh.
Dude. All we gotta do is put one of them Corvette emblems on it.
Nobody will know any better.
There's Corvettes everywhere. It's still cool. Yep. My truck, before we leave, it's going right down the middle of this thing. Yeah, we're trying.
See ya.
We're going to film it.
Are you?
Well, you know it.
Any pick you want.
Yeah. Hey, whatever color, whatever.
Right.
Guys, this is we didn't know they even did it. We found out a couple days ago. We're like, heck, we're in.
Yeah.
It's cool.
Yeah, nothing like seeing hundreds and hundreds of vets.
Yeah, a lot of brand new ones.
Right.
Rob, which one are you picking? Oh, look. That one's got tan interior.
Right.
This one's got red.
Red.
Holy crap, it's full of trash. This one's the one I picked. It's
The
got
black,
interior.
yeah, and I like the black hood and wheels on it.
If I was going to pick one of them, it'd be that one. But guess what? I'm not going to pick one of them. I want like a C7 with a big pro.
Oh,
Hot rodder there. Get after it, boys! Dang. Dang. Dude, if I had one, it'd be thumping though.
right. The blue one sounded good, but that's been the first one. Of course, we haven't heard that many running. But.
No, not yet. Dude, my truck sounds better than that. Rob, check out the tires on that thing, son.
Oh, yeah.
And I need to fix my glass. That looks like Williams over there. William had that just like that, dude. It looks
Right.
like for real. Dude, I'm not kidding. I think that's Williams so far. I'm not sure. Hey, Rob, check out this green one over here, brother.
Oh, yeah.
Not my style, but it's pretty cool.
Yeah.
Got a ton of money in it.
Right.
White gloves, man. Don't get her dirty. Nope. Crazy. This is my car. You guys sit in and take pictures. Okay. No, I don't care. You get in and take pictures. Don't matter to me. Just put the gloves on. Yeah, seriously. If you guys want to take pictures, go ahead.
They made this as barbecue.
It don't look like he misses much many meals. You like me? Dude, he's got CBs and crap on.
Yeah, I want to show you.
I guess he's like the front runner, you think?
Maybe.
Tells him. Man, this thing's cool. What do they do? Run in front and CB the other guys who the top of them? That's cool. Dude, I need to follow him.
Yeah, she said this is the lead car.
This is a cool car, dude.
Yeah. How many think you've seen so far, John?
There's hundreds here, ain't there?
Yeah.
Hundreds.
And we're probably not maybe halfway through them.
Oh, I know. Look at this.
It's like-
completely. And back there, Rob, they got back there.
I guess I need to go find.
And they're all headed to Bowling Green, right?
Yeah, tomorrow. We're going
Yeah.
to Bowling Green. How cool would it be if we
Be there.
with them?
Yeah. So we're out here. We got all these vets.
I love
but what are we looking for?
So
we have
Charger.
to-
Dude, I want to see some fast. Like
Right.
all these, most of them are stock wrecks. We're looking for fast
We
wrecks.
want the fast ones, boosted stuff. You know what we like. Oh, yeah.
Think about it. He's going to drive to Bowling Green tomorrow.
Right.
Hey, it's cool. Oh, it's a stick, dude. Wonder what motor's got on it.
I don't know.
Heck yeah, it's a cool car. There's another one right
Yeah.
beside it, dude.
LS3 in it.
Wow.
I'm gonna ask 275.
Did you hear that?
Yeah. That's the ass.
I don't even want to get around him. Guys, he's asking $275,000.
That's the offer he's going to give them.
Good grief. How much do you think the bird turd's worth? Lamborghini doors on that.
Yeah.
Yeah.
That's cool.
I mean, for real, most of these people that's driving this is older, retired people.
Oh, yeah. I mean, they're the only ones that can take a week off and
I know,
drive
dude.
and have these kind of cars.
If we ever get rich because of you guys watching our videos, we'll go with them.
Oh yeah.
Guarantee it.
And,
Yeah.
hey, watch
Hey,
us.
the lead car won't be the lead car no more.
No, we'll pass them every time.
Hey, we
Yeah,
met
tell
this
us-
awesome chick and we got to put her on the video.
Big fan.
Yeah. She lives in somewhere in Illinois or Chicago or something that comes down here and looks at the vets.
Yeah.
Yeah, we love you. Heck yeah.
Mind if I take a picture with you?
Oh, let's get a picture, chick.
Thank
Did
you.
it take? Did it take?
Maybe, I don't know. Not a very good one.
You want to take another one?
Yeah, I'll put the timer off this time.
Yeah, don't put the timer on.
Thank you.
Like, we can take a normal one too, I don't care.
Oh, you're good.
I'm not real normal, but that's perfect! Oh my gosh! Heck yeah! I love that girl, she's cool. You give me some of the shoes, son.
What do you think of the Lambo doors on these, John?
Man, I don't know. They kind of look like a Lambo anyways. Cool.
Right.
Yeah, I like it. Man, some stuff I don't like it when they put Lambo doors. It looks weird, but it looks
But
cool.
it looks like
just
kind of
because it looks like a supercar anyway.
Right.
Like a C7, I don't think it'd look as good.
Not as good,
That
right.
does look cool. I'd never get in and out of it, but supercharged.
Right.
Gosh, that's gotta be cool. Hey, this is what Corey's got, the same exact
Oh,
motor
the
I think,
Camaro.
in the
Right.
Camaro.
Yeah.
You right?
Yeah,
Ain't that
pretty
what
sure.
he's got?
Yeah.
Or is it the new one? I don't know, but he's got
I think
a
it's
cool one.
LT4, I think.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Cool car. I don't know if it's as cool as a bird turd, but
Oh, nothing is.
are you seriously, Rob? There's not been one car yet that I've been
Blown
holy
away,
crap, I
like, yeah.
want that.
Yeah, this is the,
I
yeah.
mean, it's just a bunch of stock vets. It's a cool deal. People everywhere. I like
Right.
it. I like it. But it's a lot of stock vets. That's such a cool looking dog. That dog is it? Hey, he's cool. Will you let me pet him?
Jump up all over.
Wanna go home with me? Oh, I like it. Cool dog. He tried to come in here and they wouldn't let him. Dang. Yeah, what's
Well, yeah.
There ain't no authority down there, so we're gonna leave. We're gonna sneak in.
No, you would not do something like that.
Black one's all blacked out.
Right.
Orange one looks cool. Blue one looks cool. Like
Yeah, they do.
Hey, I've seen you before somewhere. You following us? Start being on our YouTube channel all the time. Come on. Hey, we actually need a chick on there. And a vet.
Right?
Gold wheels on that, dude. You like
That's
them?
They actually don't look bad.
No.
Definitely haven't seen nothing like
I like it.
that. Yep.
Hey, yeah, boy.
Hey, that's what I'm saying. This is the best bet here.
I know this thing is free. We had a big cruise in a couple months ago and it burned. That's the owner right there.
This is you right here.
He said this is the coolest vet here.
Where you pushing? Where you pushing?
You want to hear it, bro? They want to hear it.
Yes.
They like it, baby. Oh.
Oh, yeah.
It's one of my favorite ones here.
Yeah,
dude.
that one's pretty dang sharp. So we know John Boy always has a tendency to sneak in areas. Well, there's plenty of stuff here that says no parking, do not trespass, order for police, and of course, what do we have here? John Boy getting ready to drive in there. He didn't get out of the parking spot. It's kind of a tight spot. But yeah, you know John, he's going to be going right through the restricted area. We'll see how this one goes. nobody saying anything.
I know, dude.
You just gotta act like you own the place.
Dude, we are driving the other way.
No, I don't think you should go against
You don't think?
No, because you got people trying to get out.
Yeah, but we can stop them.
They're gonna have to back up.
They're in a Corvette. They can afford it.
Nice Corvette.
Thank you. Sounds better once a Corvette.
It does sound better. We're driving the bird turn
I
down
really want to
through,
drive the other way, bro.
down through the whole Corvette thing.
You don't think we can make it the other way? Huh?
I don't think so.
We didn't do it.
Well, John, what do you go?
What?
Gosh, dude.
What?
You should see yourself.
Was it bad?
No,
I got something on me.
Yeah, you got it. You got it.
I get it for real?
Yeah, you're good.
Good grief. Watch out, dude. They'll get all over you.
You look like Hulk
Did I get it for real?
Hogan. No.
Man, my
it's-
beard feels wet.
Yeah, it's
I get it?
No.
Dang. We get it, Rob.